ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಲರ್ನಿಫೈ ಕನ್ನಡಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್. ಟುಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ poem ತುತ್ತೂರಿ. This is for the third standard, right? Okay, ತುತ್ತೂರಿ. ತುತ್ತೂರಿ means what? Trumpet. So this poem is been written by famous Kannada poet G.P. Rajaratnam. You have to remember that. Okay? Okay. ಬಣ್ಣದ ತಗಡಿನ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ, ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡನು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ. So what does it mean? Tutturi means trumpet. Okay. Bannada tagadina tutturi. There is a trumpet which is made out of metal and it is a colorful. That's what Bannada tagadina tutturi. Banna means colorful, tagadina means metallic, tutturi means trumpet. Kasige kondanu kasturi. Kasu means money. So kasturi, it's his name. Okay. So he bought it by paying some money. Kasige kondanu. Kondanu meaning buying, bought. ಸರಿಗಮ ಪದನಿಸ ಊದಿದನು, ಸನಿದಪ ಮಗರಿಸ ಊದಿದನು. This is the sound in music, right? Swara. So he blew it. He blew the trumpet. Then it made a sound. Sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. That's what the poet is trying to say. Okay. So it made a beautiful sound. Then what happened? Tanage tutturi ideyanda. Berarigu adu illenda. So here he said, Kasturi said that Tanage Tutturi, then only he has got that trumpet, nobody else has it. Okay, so that he said with arrogance. The arrogance started building in him. So he said that only he has got it, no other else have got it. Okay, Kasturi nadedanu ಬೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. So he started walking down the street with that arrogance. Okay, it is like a jambada koli means it's a arrogant rooster, like a arrogant rooster. Okay, then we'll see the next four lines. ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಊದುತ ಕೊಳದ ಬಳಿ, ನಡೆದನು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಸಂಜೆಲಿ. So he was walking, right? He was walking near the pond. Kola means pond, bali means near. So ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಊದುತ, he was blowing the trumpet and he was walking near the pond. ನಡೆದನು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಸಂಜೆಯಲಿ. ನಡೆದನು means walk. Okay, ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ is his name. ಸಂಜೆಯಲಿ means by evening. ಜಾರಿತು ನೀರಿಗೆ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ, ಗಂಟಲು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು ನೀರೂರಿ. So what happened? Suddenly the trumpet fell in the water. As soon as he saw that, he was nervous. He couldn't speak. He was not able to speak. Okay. Sarigama ಊದಲು ನೋಡಿದನು. Immediately he picked it and he started blowing it up. He started making the sound. Sarigama ಊದಲು ನೋಡಿದನು. Again he started, blowing it. ಗಗ ಗಗ ಸದ್ ಗಗ ಗಗ ಸದ್ದನು ಮಾಡಿದನು. Saddu meaning sound. So he tried to blow it. He tried to create the sound. Then what happened? ಬಣ್ಣವು ನೀರಿನ ಪಾಲಾಯಿತು. Since it fell in the water, it lost its color. ಬಣ್ಣವು ನೀರಿನ ಪಾಲಾಯಿತು. ನೀರು means water. ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಬೋಳಾಯಿತು. It even lost the color. ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ, colorful trumpet, it lost its color because it fell in water. ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಹಾಳಾಯಿತು. ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಗೆ ಗೋಳಾಯಿತು. So the trumpet stopped working because it fell in water. And then ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಗೆ ಗೋಳಾಯಿತು. So here the poet is trying to say the arrogance, right? The arrogance fell. He lost it. The Kasturi lost it. He felt very bad. The moral of the story is his arrogance down fell here, which means as a kid, right, what you have to understand is you should not cultivate the arrogance. Arrogance meaning it's a step for failure. Okay, thank you.